Hey guys, today was there had to use new Halloween effects on TikTok. So with the upcoming Halloween right around the corner, TikTok announces of course of this new themed augmented reality effects of as well of the Halloween theme. So if you guys want to go ahead and use these new features in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to use this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do here is to launch the TikTok application. Once we're already here, let's go ahead and tap on the plus icon right here in the middle. And I want you to tap on, of course, the 15-second to create your own video. And once you're here, let's tap on effects. And I want you to search for of course, the spooky or horror Halloween filter. As you see, we do have a number of different filters to choose from over here. And this horror Halloween filter is pretty new with only 5,818 videos compared to the many videos that these other filters has been used. Basically, this is a new filter that has been rolled out only this month. And this is with a filter that you guys want to go ahead and use, since this is the new AR filter that TikTok offers to its users. As you see, you could also choose a bunch of other filters as well on here, and also tap on the trending option to view one of those trending TikTok filters that you have that is also horror themed. You can also go ahead and try to locate if you already have the Halloween theme over here on your tabs that you have available, but most likely it still won't be there since TikTok is still rolling out this feature only on selected countries. Since this is of course a new feature and TikTok still needs you select specific countries to test this out and see if it is worthy enough to be rolled out onto the whole wide world. But essentially, that's how you issued access filter. If you still can locate the Halloween tab right here, just go ahead and search for either the random Halloween face, as you see right here, this one right here, or the horror Halloween filter. Now, those are the two filters that is currently available for you to use. And that's all for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as all of you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.